Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will going to show you how you can create Instagram story trend in your Instagram application. So let's get start this tutorial. First of all, you have to open your Instagram application. Go to the search option. You have to search here one Instagram ID Shivam80. Here you will find one ID. The first you will get here. Click to it and I will provide link in description of this ID, Instagram ID. This is my Instagram ID. You have to check out my story. I have uploaded a story in like that. You will 4 different hairstyle. Like this story I have uploaded in my story. How you can use this story? Click to the ideas option. Go to the gallery option. You have to choose any one photo in your gallery. You have to attach somewhere. Then you have to upload in your story. Now I will show you how you can check out after 24 hours in my story. You know the 24 hours my story will deleted, but I will provide you the highlight. You will get lifetime in my Instagram ID. The link in description. You can check out from there. The Instagram link is given you. You can check it from there. You will get all trending sticker from there. The video is here only. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. You will get like this video always in this channel.